Coca-Cola ribs.
78 grams of sugar per bottle. Huh.
I got them on sale. 2 racks, 15 bucks. I'm a savvy shopper, what can I say? You got a big rack, lay it down flat. Put it under that first, and you can start peeling and lifting up until you get it started, just like that. And pull. Think about Stone Cold Steve Austin. Right. Cover these ribs up, right? To me, if you can get at least 2 hours like this, filled with water, better coverage. Press it down, don't rub it. Onion powder, we're gonna use it all. These and Coca-Cola. Honey for the money. A pinch of salt, not a punch, just a garlic powder though. Now, back up, don't get too close here because I don't want you to burn with the steam coming out, okay? Back up. Here we go. Oh, that's hot. What am I doing? It's hot. I just told myself it's hot. Woo! Oh, daddy like. Brush that right in. Make sure these are nice Coca-Cola based barbecue. They're under the broiler, okay? Check them out. Oh, they cut. Oh, that's the one I'm gonna try. Oh. Oh. Boom! Coca-Cola ribs. You gotta wash it down with a fresh Coca-Cola.